back with another video. Now we're doing the woodwork challenge, so we have to hit the left post, the crossbar, and the right post. So whoever hits all of them first wins. There's only one way to see who goes first. Ready? Ching chang walla, let's go. Alright. Ching chang walla. Got ya. You know what? You know what? I'll go first. I'll go left post.
It's your hand. Oh.
What were you doing, Ben? It's the left post, not the crossbar. What were you doing, Ben?
Missed it last time. Guess what? You're gonna hit it this time.
No. Oh my god, did you redone that?
Oh my! The wind! Screw the wind!
Come on, Ben. I have a good feeling about this shot. I think it's gonna go. I think it's gonna go in.
It's gonna go in.
Ben, I think the corner's waiting for you. I think the corner.
No, not again.
What happened?
I'm rubbish at football.
What's your name?
Ben.
Why are you upset, Ben?
I'm rubbish at football.
Okay, you're rubbish at football. Is that why you're upset?
Okay, oh!
Listen, I've been without access to food or water for 10 days. We're dying. Alright, we moved it closer because I'm so bad. And Avi is blaming it on the wind.
Maybe Avi will give us some food and water if you hit it this time.
If I hit this now, I get food and water.
Just think about that, Ben. I think it'll help. Ben, you let us both down, Ben. Now we're gonna like die of starvation. Can you smell that barbecue though, Ben?
Oh my god!
I know. That makes it 10 times worse.
Yeah.
There's like a barbecue.
In like 2 hours time, these people will eat me.
Come on, Avi.
If Jensen gets this, it's my shot. Me and Jensen are teammates. Come on, Jensen. Come on, Jensen. Yes! I love you, Jensen.
The night team.
Oh, actually, yeah.
Actually,
Definitely, no,
I'm too. I'm the best!
No.
show you.
This is probably why it keeps missing.
Yeah,
That's a bump. It's a bump.
And there's some flaps here. It's coming off there.
What have you done to his ball, Ben?
He abused it hard.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna sit the crossbar off.
If I hit that then.
Right, I'm gonna hit this time.
No, Ben.
That's not how you do it, is it?
I don't think so.
Ready?
Please like, subscribe, and before you go, we have a little something to show you. Ready, Ben?
Oh my god.
Oh! We're going to put this in slow motion.
Avi's actually really bad at football. It's the end of me. I won't be in any.
Oh, that was on there! And I got it on video.
I won't be in any.
Oh, that was on there! And I got it on video.
You're thirsty, you're hungry, you was crying.
And now he's got a headache.
That's so many already.